Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
Kua waia aia ki tēnei kemu I tēnei taumata. He is very settled in this sort of level of playing, isn't he, Rod?
Yeah, absolutely. He'll be one of the mainstays for the team this season, no doubt.
So Hamilton feed again.
George Roos,
front rows, the dark art of the front rows, Rod.
Well,
penalty to Palmy boys.
Kua nei kia whanaia, Te Paoro. Ai, kua pai.
Successful kick there. Big number 8 there. Took Palmy a while to get him down.
Yeah, Caleb Poolbell, great run. Here we go. Aidan Saxon taking up the guts for the visitors, Hamilton, and forces the penalties.
Good crowd here today, Rod. Just looking around the ground, full grandstand here at North Street and Palmerston North, and a good sprinkling right around the ground.
Here we go. Nice bit of right to left.
Kua whiwhi e rātou ngā piro e tōru. Nā, kei a rātou te... Oh,
might have been offside there. That's
ka
unfortunate.
he ori te ngā piro.
Yeah.
Ka pai.
CC.
There you go, deal for
Ko
feet.
tērā tama no, ki tōku nei whakaro. Tataia ki te whiwhi.
Right under the post here.
Oh,
Arms
hei.
out.
Advantage.
Oh, I reira rātou a Kirikiriroa.
And Hamilton score, number 11.
Oh, ka pai. He whiu poto tēnā, engari kua rere rātou. O Papaioea. Tata ki te rārangi. Ai, oh, heka. Kua whiwhi he tarai rātou. He piro anō. Mo Papaioea.
Quick throw.
Scrub.
Ka pai he kaha. He kaha ngā tima. O, kei a Papaioea te pauro. Kei te whiu atu. O, I haere ki mua.
Jamie Vulgen making some tremendous ground.
Oh, heka. He tere tēnā.
Oh, that would be right time.
Ko Hunter Kennedy whiwhi tērā. Ka pai. He
Ball's coming
painga.
back.
Yeah.
Speedy, little chip, and a
kei ai.
someone there played the
Ki mai te kai wawao. Me hoki whakamure.
played the advantage. It's a big kick opportunity. He's got the length. He's got the length. And
Ai. Oh, karawe.
wow.
Ka pai. Ko tērā te kemu.
Second.
What a finish.
Ka mau
What a
te we. Ngā mihi nui kia kōru o tira ki ngā kai tākaro o ia tima.
Yeah.
Everybody that I know. Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.